Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be of this kind of Halloweeny vibe makeup. I just sat down and this is what came out. I didn't look at any, Pinterest or Instagram or anything like that. So I feel like this is my way of saying I'm excited for Halloween. So this is the look that I created today. I really hope that you enjoy this, and if you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
Alrighty, so starting off my look, I'm using my usual Too Faced concealer and tapping that on the lid and blending it out with the Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going into one of the MAC Flair Art Library palettes. This is Flamboyant, and I'm taking the shade Simmer with Silk, and I'm using it on a Morphe fluffy brush and tapping that into my crease area and then building it up, and I'll tap and blend so that I have a really nice build up as my transition shade. To blend that out, I'm taking my translucent face powder. This is from Rimmel London, part of the Kind and Free collection, and I'm just using that to buff it out. Then I'm taking the shade Rule, I believe, and this is going to be packed right into my crease area. Sorry, I don't think that's Rule, I think that's Dollywood. Sorry. Anyway, I'm tapping that straight into my crease and building up that shade before I start blending out. And I'm using a really small blending brush from Morphe. Then I'm going in with the larger blending brush with what's left of our transition shade to help blend that out. Going in with the shade Embark, I believe, and I am popping that straight into my crease once again. And this time I'm using a pencil brush from Morphe, and then I'm going back with my blending brushes to blend that out, while also reapplying the first two shades to keep that intensity built up. I'm moving into the other Art Library palette that I have, and I'm taking the shade Carbon from it. This one is called It's Designer. It's the rainbow palette out of the three. And I'm using the pencil brush from Morphe once again with Carbon on it and putting that in the outer V area to build up that intensity. I'll go back in with my blending brushes, reapplying the colors as needed to keep that really nice and vibrant but really nice blend. Going in with my concealer once again, and I'm using a detailing brush from Real Techniques to cut my crease. I'm not too fussed on it being super sharp because I will be going over it with some eyeshadow. I'm taking the shade It's Designer and tapping it all over the lid first. And I'll use that to soften out those edges, then just reapplying the black Carbon shadow and blending that in with the gold before we go in with the orange gold glitter that's going all over the lid. But before that, I'm just taking that brown shade and popping it straight through that crease again, just to redefine that crease so it does look cut, I guess. Probably didn't need to do this step, but we did anyway. Taking the BYS glitter primer, and I'm tapping that on the middle of my lid first. I'm doing the glitter application in two sections so that I don't end up having it dry and fall down onto my skin. I'm using a small brush just to pat that on. I don't know the name of this glitter, I've had it in my collection forever, but it's a really orange gold shade. And then I'm taking a liquid eyeliner. This one I'm not 100% a fan of, and that's why I used it, because the glitter will come off on the brush. And I'm just creating a nice thick wing, really dramatic. That's just what we're going for. Then I'm applying some mascara. So what you guys didn't see was just taking the bright purple called Dark Room out of the Art Library palette, and running that underneath my lower lash line up along the wing. For the face, you just saw me use a cream highlighter. It's from MCO Beauty. And then I'm going in with the NARS Pleasure Trio palette, just using the bronzer, blush and highlighter to finish off my skin. For lips, I'm taking this matte liquid lipstick. I'm not sure what it's called. It will be up on the screen. I just don't have it in front of me. But this is from Audacious Cosmetics from Kmart. It's only $2 and it's a really nice lip product. And that is the makeup completed.
Alrighty guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. I swear words are so hard for me, like every single day of my life. They're just hard. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what you think about it down in the comment section. I'd love to have a chat with you about it. Are you excited for Halloween? Because I am. I've been doing a lot of planning and I'm super excited for videos that are going to come out, and I have decided on a new routine, like an upload schedule, been planning out, like things are happening and I am excited. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.